Hey guys, welcome back to another week's episode of the Budget 4x4 Live. You might be thinking, oh bro, did you upgrade your car? But no, I haven't. I still have my trusty old Pajero, but my parents have another one as well. And this is just a big one, but today I'm going to show you how to clear the headlights, because at the moment it's very yellow and it definitely affects your lighting at night. So I'm going to show you guys how to clean it up with a basic restoration kit from Super Cheap Auto from about $40. And just some power tools. That's all I need for this video, but let's get straight into it. Alrighty, so basically what you need is a headlight restorer kit from Super Cheap Auto. It comes with the headlight polish and then the lubricant spray to make it nice and shiny. And for today's video I'm just going to use the Ryobi power tool with a polisher, just to make sure it turns out very nice. Hopefully it's going to look like that in the end. But yeah, let's get into it. Well, would you have a go at that? Man, this light looks awesome. It almost looks brand new. But yeah, what you want to do is you just want to use a microfiber cloth and just work it out to the edges, because the polisher can't go up to the edges. So you just want to make sure to cover the whole light using a cloth and just work it around the edges, and it will come out good as new. Well, there you go guys, just have a look at that. Man, it already looks awesome. But what you want to do, you just want to use this headlight lubricant spray. Just to top it off, you just want to make sure it's protected against the sun, and it will also give it that shiny look that you're after, making it look brand new. A nearly brand new headlight. Man, I cannot tell you how good it looks. Just look at it. It's nice and shiny. It's not yellow at all anymore. But yeah, we'll obviously do the other side as well, and then we'll be done officially. But how good? Well, there you go guys, good as new, man. They came out looking smick. I definitely recommend it. It's only like a 10-minute job, so highly rate it. As you can see, it's nice and shiny. The sun makes it look yellow because of the reflection, but it doesn't look like that in reality. I'll give you some more closer lookups. But yeah guys, what do you reckon? If you like more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe on the channel, and I'll see you guys next week. Have a good one.